Nothing beats a fresh harvest from your own edible garden. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthier people. I am a Bokashi Pinoy practitioner, and this is my story. It was one rainy morning when the garbage collection truck came for its rounds that it occurred to me, there must be so much garbage going to our landfills. With once a week garbage collection in our village during the lockdown, I became very concerned about our food wastes. Joining the 30-day Garbage to Garden Challenge addressed my concern. I learned so much from the hard-working, dedicated, and passionate mentors and advocates. I must admit, it was an extraordinary experience. While we all have our own reasons to pursue gardening, this passion seems to have found its way into my heart when I was still young. And Bokashi Pinoy brought it to a whole new level. I use the leachate that I get from the fermented food waste as fertilizer, and we notice how it made our plants healthier. The compost that I harvest is a good amendment to have a healthy soil, perfect for our edible garden. Organic, sustainable, environmentally friendly, for a healthier lifestyle. I'm glad and proud to have joined this advocacy of diverting food wastes one bucket at a time. That's my story. What's yours?
Hi everyone. I'd like to introduce you to someone that I consider a friend, and it's interesting because we have a lot of common friends actually. So I feel like when I got to know her, it seems like I've known her for a long time, although it's only since June 27 thereabouts that we got to know each other or met each other. When she joined Batch 9, which was actually the first group I've ever mentored. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce She Spak. Hello.
Hi. Hello, Miss Sammy, and hello to everyone watching tonight. How are
Oh,
you?
I'm good. I'm so glad that you've allowed us to interview you. And this is really like just conversation between friends.
Yes,
Diba? Meron lang tayong konting people listening in, but
yes.
it's just us having a chit chat. Diba?
Okay, yeah.
Well, I guess a good place to start is, paano mo nga ba nahanap ang Bokashi Pinoy? Diba?
Oh, oh man. Bokashi Pinoy. No? I've heard about Bokashi Pinoy, Miss Sammy, a couple of years ago from a
Oh,
dear friend. Yeah, from a dear friend. And then she created this group. That we had a Viber group. I think mga 6 or 7 yata kami in that group. And
okay.
that's where we shared our gardening experiences, ganyan, and also we shared photos of our plants. So noon pa man talaga mga plantitas na kami. But
Originals na yan.
yeah. Oh, but it became inactive, that group.
Okay.
So fast forward into this pandemic,
Mhm.
parang sabi ko, and I shared it in my video na parang I became so concerned with um, our food waste. Especially, it's once a week lang yung punta ng ng garbage truck, yeah, the collection. So sabi ko, what are we going to do with this food waste? So, and then that time I remembered what my friend told me about this Bokashi Pinoy composting. And so sabi ko, nag-research ulit ako. Went back.
Okay.
And the time kasi parang my neighbors are, selling all sorts of goods. So
Uh-huh.
sabi ko ganyan, siguro I might as well, um, contact Bokashi Pinoy.
Uh-huh.
And maybe I can buy 10 buckets and sell it to my neighbors, parang ganyan. At the same time, of course, I will have to address my concern. So what I did was, I message Bokashi Pinoy. Sabi ko pa, Miss Tammy, yabang ko pa eh. Sabi ko, how can I become a distributor or reseller of Bokashi Pinoy? Yun yung,
Sounds familiar.
yeah, di ba?
May same story tayo, ah.
Diba? So, ang reply sa akin is, for you to become a reseller, you should attend training. Sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko, may training pa pala. May training pa pala to.
Yeah.
And I got curious. I was able to call a mentor, Miss Ninfa. So we talked over the phone for like maybe 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes, I've learned a lot of things about Bokashi. And that's why when I started. And then going back into that group, now it became active. But then it's active. It's active, but then walang admin. Because my friend who introduced Bokashi Pinoy to me, she passed away na last before the pandemic, before the lockdown. And so sabi namin dun sa group, parang I think this was really created because we really need to continue her advocacy.
I'm getting
Actually, I'm having
it's like
goosebumps as
your
well.
legacy to you guys, no?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
And oo nga, no, sabi namin, we realized na, why, na lang natin, i-continue natin, in memory of our dear friend, let's continue her advocacy.
Yeah.
And that's when I joined na the 30-day, June 27 pala yun, no? I actually forgot, no? Pero,
That was day 1, pero kicked off a few days before that.
yes.
Parang ang tagal-tagal na, no?
Yes, parang ang tagal na. And also, it's a couple of years na pala na I've heard about it, pero, sabi ko nga, sana pala noon pa. Ako nag-start.
But it's good, as good a time as any, right?
Yes, that's right.
So it was like your friend paved the way, and then she kind of put a bug in your ear, and then, when it was the right time, it really just happened.
Yeah.
And I distinctly remember you in batch 9 kasi sabi ko, it put all of our photos to shame. Parang sa ng collage, lahat kami, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng mga collage ni Che. Tapos ang linis lahat, di ba? Okay, meron tayong mga model photos, di ba? Meron tayong pang-advertise, ganyan. So,
I enjoyed it talaga. Yeah, every day.
I could tell, I could feel it.
Yes.
In our batch pa naman, do you remember how many was in our batch? Do you have an idea?
No, I can't remember, but more than 10?
30,
Yeah, madami.
30 tayo.
Okay.
Wala pa din yung mentors. Kaya the action was like, it was like every day was full of action, right? Everybody participating. Yeah.
Yes.
So, masaya. Mm-hmm.
And we couldn't wait nga. Sabi namin na, pag natapos to, we should have our, get together. Yung batch namin, batch 9.
Exactly, di ba?
Yes.
Pagka pwede na get together.
Yes.
So it's nice. It's nice to I actually don't remember that it was about a friend who introduced it, but I do remember you mentioning a friend in the past when we had a chat.
Yes.
So I didn't realize that she was the one pala who brought that influence. So it's two things if I were to think about it that brought you to Bokashi Pinoy, your friend and her legacy.
Yes.
And then just like that immediate need, like you saw. I mean, you've been seeing naman the trash being collected, diba? Pero
Yes.
it became more distinct during the pandemic.
That's right. I was thinking about it nga, Miss Sammy. Sabi ko ganyan. Dati kasi, of course, we were taught na you segregate your trash, non-biodegradable, biodegradable man, ganyan, di ba? Even when we were young. But then, yun nga na-realize ko na wow, sinesegregate naman namin. But, parang for me, okay, I'll segregate it. Ganun ako dati. I'll segregate it. Hanggang dun lang yung ginagawa ko. But then, one day talaga I realized, sinesegregate nga namin. But then, pagka nilagay naman dun sa truck, sa garbage truck, parang halo-halo din naman sila lahat. So, sabi ko, lahat pala to, it will go to our landfill. So, yun, dun ko na-realize na, we have to do something. I have to do something about our food waste.
So that's June 27, and now we're talking sometime October, and you've been doing it for a couple of months. And how are you doing? I mean, you're keeping it up. I know, I see your posts eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, oo.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy. What I really enjoyed or what I really learned about. Ang dami ko kasi na-learn during my 30-day garbage to garden challenge. But and thanks to you and Miss Ninfa. And of course the other mentors and advocates. But then
everyone behind the scenes talaga.
Yes, and you taught us the best practice. And so I'm grateful about that. And one thing that I know rin, na parang, kasi, sabi niyo, after the challenge, we can, experiment also.
Yeah.
Diba? So, that's when I experimented.
Okay.
May mga failures, so I still have to go back to the best practice that you taught us.
Yeah.
So, ang galing. So, until now, meron kaming our ate kasi, she's also very active. She helps me a lot.
That's
And
cool.
also with gardening, with bokashi, lahat. And she's also enjoying it. Pagka sasabihin ko na, ate, bokashi day ngayon. So, alam na niya. Magko-collect na kami. We collect the leachate.
That's good. And I also remember that you post, kasi I know you post a lot about your plants and your gardening. And then, yung nakakatuwa po din is yung effect nung leachate. Diba?
Yes. So, the first time talaga na I used it, parang we were so amazed na after a week, wow, ang daming mga usbong, mga new leaves. And sabi ko,
for flower ever, nag-flower bigla.
Yes, nag-flower bigla. And then we have this miracle berry na walang miracle. Ano nangyari?
For that time.
Yeah, for a couple of years. I think it's been with us for not only a couple of years, but I think 3 or 4 years. Pero wala talaga. But then, nung nag-spray kami nun, talagang umusbong ang dami.
Galing.
Ang galing talaga.
Yes, ang galing. Nakaka-inspire, ano?
Yes.
Well, so, which brings me to another thing, because now you've really gone into it, you've experimented, you've been continuing your Bokashi Pinoy composting journey. I know that you've talked to a number of friends, one of whom has joined another batch, diba? But I know you've talked to other people as well. And I think you've been sharing it around your community. I guess what is, I think, interesting to ask is, like, how have you gone about it? What did you do? What did you start? Like, how did you start to reach out to people? Ano ba yung style mo?
Doon pa lang sa start ng challenge natin. Di ba kasi we were given, is it 9 days to fill our bucket?
It was a week.
Yes, or a week, 7 to 9 days. Then sabi ko, nako, mukhang kukulangin ako. Sabi ko ganyan. So that's when I collected. We have, kasi dito in our street, we have a group, we have a Viber group. So, nag-message ako sa kanila na, I'm joining a challenge, ganyan, about composting. So, I introduced them about this Bokashi Pinoy composting, and if they can help me fill my bucket, because I'm very competitive.
Hindi
Kailangan, oo. Oo. And then,
siya
sabi,
halata.
hindi siya halata. No? And then, doon, nakakatuwa din because they would bring their raw fruits and vegetables dito sa house, or I do collect them. Hanggang after dito sa street namin, pati sa mga iba na. There's another group also that
Expand na.
I'm part. Oo. So talagang nanganak na siya. Na, yes. Hanggang pinopost ko na rin siya kasi we have a group also, the whole village were 500 plus kami dun sa group na yon. And they're posting anything. We can post anything, our products. And so, doon ako nag-post and sabi ko if they are interested about bokashi composting method, ganyan, then I will create another group for the Q&A. Kasi syempre, sure yan, maraming tanong.
Oo.
So, yun, nag-create ako ng group. And then I opened our home to them. Sabi ko, you are welcome to see my setup.
Imagine that.
Yes, kasi may bokashi, may bokashi kit there, nandun lang sa garahe.
Mm-mm.
And then sabi ko, okay, you can come to our place, kanyan. May mga pumunta.
Ang galing, ano?
Yes.
So, dyan ba sa mga sumali sa mga groups at or bumisita, were these people you already knew or you didn't know them before?
Some of them were doing traditional composting.
Okay, but you didn't know them from the group before? Parang you just know of their names pero they're not people you personally know?
Yes, yes.
Galing, also, it's a community builder when you think about it, di ba?
Yes, yeah.
Nakakatuwa. Kasi when you started collecting to fill your bucket, you reached out to people and they responded, right?
Mhm.
For others naman, di ba, meron ng market day, like go to your favorite suki at kung wala kang suki, gawin mong suki yung suki ng magpipinya or something, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
So that's what happens. I think it's a great community builder.
Mm-hmm.
And when you reach out to people, it's amazing how people are curious and also open to learning.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Galing. So
Oo nga.
And I also understand that tama ba that you started another group from the South? Tama ba na through you with sina Miss Ninfa? Medyo
Yes. From that, yes. Miss Sammy, from that Bokashi, I created Bokashi Q&A group.
Mm-hmm.
So, doon na sila, may mga mag-join na eh. Tapos, nag-ask sila about how, marami na, mag-Q&A na talaga doon. And then, when we were sure na talagang gusto na nila mag-start because I think we were able to answer their questions and they got interested also. So, we created this Bokashi South. And it's not only in our village, but we also included some of our friends from other villages.
Also from
So, if I'm not mistaken, parang yung group na yon, the Bokashi South, it consists of 5 villages.
Nice.
Yes.
Galing. So, hopefully, through the Bokashi South, there's, let's just call them like Bokashi Pinoy warriors and advocates, right? For
Yes.
the environment, no? Nanganak.
Oo nga eh. So, I'm actually hoping na they will also encourage more. Mm-hmm.
Is there a vision that you have or that your group has shared with each other for where all of this is going to go that you can share here?
You mean our vision? No,
yeah, vision or like kahit na dream or kahit wish.
Our dream talaga is to have to have a healthy soil. Yun nga, yung ina-advertise natin. Dapat healthy soil, healthy food, so we can be healthier. And until now, maraming nagme-message on what they can do. Ano yung pwede namin magawa, not only with our food waste, but other waste as well, other problems. So, nakakatuwa kasi parang nanganganak na siya kung ano yung pwede namin, parang may mga ano na kami na, yeah, na we research on things na, di ba kung minsan nagme-message ako dun sa group natin
Yeah.
about, yun naman, about plastics, where can we bring our plastics, mga ganyan. So, ano na siya, it's parang we bring awareness on that we can do something about our environment and what we can help
Yes.
to preserve our environment, to protect it.
We created an awareness and expanded, and now it's a movement. Talagang Bokashi Pinoy movement, diba? I mean, you can't look at food waste and forget about the rest of the waste, diba?
Yes.
So it's really amazing that you guys have created that huge awareness, and I always call it like a collective consciousness. And
Yes.
it's infectious also, so that you guys keep talking about it with the same passion. Grabe, naiiyak ako. It almost makes me want to cry because there are people, di ba, pinag-usapan natin to, sabi natin, bakit kaya may ibang tao na kahit anong sabihin mo, parang hindi pa rin sila affected, so far removed from that particular concern. I'm not even going to call it an issue. It's a concern of everyone. I mean, trash
Yes.
affects all of our lives, right? All of us create trash and it affects all of us. But then, di ba, pinag-usapan natin, parang yung iba talaga, sarado pa yung utak, no?
Yes. Yeah, that's right. I agree.
But little by little, no? With the baby steps, I think
Yes.
it will happen.
Yeah. Remember when I asked you, Sami, na I told you na sabi ko, I will share my passion. It became a passion na kasi. So I'm gonna share this. Sabi ko, kung meron man ako ma-inspire kahit mga isa, parang I'll be happy.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ganun, parang yun yung, i-share ko kahit sa 5 lang na magtanong. Sabi ko, that means na they really care.
Yes.
And from that 5, kahit isa lang yung magtuloy dito sa Bokashi Pinoy, I'll be very happy.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, madami na tayong na-inspire and marami pa.
Tuloy-tuloy lang, di ba? I mean, let's
Yes.
keep the passion and the fire burning for the passion and the
Yes.
commitment, no? And it's interesting kasi there's a lot of like-minded people naman pala out there. And imagine kung all of us just move, the kind of change we can make is going to be amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really looking forward to hearing more about what's going to happen at your neck of the woods. Although halos magkalapit lang tayo, but I
Yeah.
really hope you can keep us posted. I know you have a lot of things cooking up on the side.
Yes. Of course, I'm also busy with gardening. May mga vegetables tayo dito.
Yes.
Herbs, medicinal plants, and all. Di ba nauso na ngayon
Yes.
yung mga plants? So, sinasabi ko rin dun sa mga friends ko na, it's also good na meron tayong, you join us. So, para we can maximize the benefits for our plants.
Yes.
And nakakatuwa. I also posted na what I made. I made yata a pesto or something from the basil.
Mhm.
And then yung mga waste, kumbaga parang circular na siya. Nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Na I did all the stages from stages 1 to 5 and then parang it's we're amazed. And even my family, pagka kinukwento ko sa kanila, ganyan, oo nga no, ganyan na itong mga waste natin, we get a healthy food and then yung mga waste natin, ibubukashi na naman natin, oo. Tapos, so iikot lang.
Yeah, well, in the kick-off, I don't know if you remember, we went around and asked about, ano ba yung mga hugot ninyo at napasali kayo what made you interested in composting, bokashi composting? in particular. And so I guess I come back to that. Speaking of coming full circle, let's come back to that and just let me ask you, what is your hugot? Yung best word talaga hugot eh. Saan ba nanggagaling
Yes.
yung passion na to? So let me ask you that again,
Yeah.
if you don't mind.
I get sick. Yeah, I was sick. I was sick. I got sick. I was diagnosed last year, June last year. It's cancer. Yeah, cancer of the uterus, stage 3. So, parang from there, diba, of course, I follow my doctor's orders, ganyan, but it is also important for me to eat a healthy and balanced diet. Even if it's, Miss Tammy, even if it's, we know naman that the side effects of my treatment is yung loss of appetite.
Yes,
Ganyan. Kasi, uh, may, metal taste. Ang
yes.
tawag doon, metal taste. But my mom was here when I was doing a treatment, undergoing a treatment. And she encouraged me talaga to eat healthy food. And that's when she started our edible garden sa veranda. It
Mm.
was actually her who started it.
Oh my God.
So yeah, and then and then organic vegetables and fruits, they were sent to me from my home province in La Union.
Okay.
So ganun.
So, I mean, di ba, it's amazing that how your mother innately knew that it's important to garden and plant your own food because then you know where it's come from, what you put in it, and when you harvest it, it's just different knowing where it came from, how it was cared for, diba? And
Yes,
therefore, you know that it's clean, you know it's nutritious, and now when you bring it into your body, you don't have to worry about other things that are going to go into it that shouldn't be going into it, right?
yes, yes.
And it comes back again to the composting, right? Like,
Mm-mm.
you know that whatever you food that you process to bokashi and then turn it into compost, you know that that's really nutritious and it feeds your edible plants again, and even your other plants that are not necessarily edible, maybe just medicinal, right? Um,
Yes,
it's just different, no? And you know where it came from. Like you can vouch for it yourself.
yes,
You
yes,
feel you think, well, we don't know unless we get tested, right? But you feel that there's really an added benefit to planting your own food. You physically feel the
yes.
difference.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Nothing
great.
really beats the fresh harvest
But in
from
ang lasa, di ba?
yeah. Iba yung lasa. Iba talaga siya.
Walang,
So,
walang chemicals na unnatural or man-made, no?
yes. So, I continued on it. So, dyan sa labas, sa veranda namin.
Kakatuwa.
Yan yung edible garden namin.
I
But,
always look forward to your posts nga eh. Kasi your post, nice because you show what you harvest,
yes.
you show the dish. Yeah.
Oo.
I look forward to that talaga.
Mm-mm. So pagka si ate namin, ate magluluto ako, picturean mo na to, harvest tayo. Parang feeling namin may farm kami. Di ba? But,
Yun sana ang dream ko sa inyo. Na magkaroon kayo ng community garden.
ayun,
Ganyan.
sana. Yes. Kasi
Well,
maraming, mga vacant lots and sabi ko, sana pumayag.
there's a
But
work
for the meantime, since may mga spaces naman kami and then we container we can also plant in containers, in mga sako, ganyan. So yun na lang muna yung ginagawa namin and then we maximize our space. So for the meantime, yun na muna.
So, with that, you've been continuing your gardening. Ano bang are you at liberty to talk about anything that you're planning for the community that you're working on? Anything in the pipeline that might inspire others who might be planning similar things? Like yung sa community garden, meron pa kayong tinatrabaho na ganyan?
I started lang sharing through my Facebook account. I also encourage my friends, our neighbors also. So, kasi sometimes kasi, di ba, of course, magkakaiba tayo na ng thinking.
Mhm.
I always tell them na you always have to ask what can we do? How can we live healthily, in this unhealthy world? And there's a lot of things out there when maybe we can do something about it. I think a small act lang that in the future it will have a big impact to our environment. So, doon, yung mga friends ko lang muna ngayon.
Mhm. And that's
Oo.
big, di ba? I mean, minsan
Yes.
friends pa nga mahirap i-encourage eh.
Yes.
Diba?
And still, I continue na I post dito sa village namin, in our community. Kasi gusto ko yung ginawa mo. So I really hope, yun yung dream ko, Miss Tammy, in your community.
So I hope that kasi I know a lot of it is driven by homeowners association, diba? And the kind of village that we live in. So I hope that it gains traction with not just the residents but the homeowners association also. And I think
Mhm.
you're on the right
Yes.
track talaga.
Yes.
Taking the noise, putting a bug in the ear.
Yes. And
Yeah.
I'm also
It's not
preparing.
homeowners association.
Oo.
Maybe.
Yun.
Maybe.
And I hope that, because I'll ask help from you, because I really need to, I want to present kung yung natin, any PowerPoint presentation maybe, ganyan. So,
Yeah.
I would like to ask help from you and from all the mentors.
Yeah,
I can present it, so I can present it to our community.
more than happy to help. More than
Yes, I know.
I've shared some stuff with you already, and I know
Yes.
other mentors, Miss Lang especially, is rooting for you. We're all rooting for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I with that, I mean, I've asked all about your bokashi composting journey, and I think I'd like to end with something a little light. So
Yes.
so I'd like you to maybe close your eyes and think about your garden. But it's kind of like your happy place, right? So if I were to ask you, um, looking at your garden, because you probably have a favorite there, what would your favorite plant be?
Favorite. Sorry.
Plant. Yeah. May paborito ba?
Oh,
Marami.
everything para sa pinakbet.
Okay, nice. Okay, may follow-up question ako as we reach the wrap-up, ha? Pero light lang. So, close your eyes again. Okay, and just give your eyes a close, then think of your garden again. And if I were to ask you that if you were a plant, which plant do you think you would be?
Sili.
Sili. Oh
Oh.
my gosh, ito ba yung maliliit na pula? Siling na bukla? O sige, bakit mo nasabi yung sili? Although nahuhulaan ko na kasi sili.
It's hot.
It's hot physically and then to the taste.
Natuwa ako sa sili kasi iba-iba yung colors niya.
True.
Diba, parang, sinusubaybayan ko yun, Miss Tammy, like, green, and then nag-iiba, and then, gano'n.
Yellow.
Oo.
Tapos namumula.
Yes, kasi I have, like, mga 4 yata varieties of chili.
Okay.
Oo. And I use that also as my can we call it pesticide?
Yes.
Yeah, the
Organic.
organic pesticide. So, yun.
Yes. Oh, okay. Same. I used to
I
do
do.
the same. So yeah. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So with that, we wrap up with the favorite vegetables of Che Edmond in Pinakbet. Okay. So if
Yes.
anybody wanted to give her a little bit of something, maybe it's something from that pinakbet family.
Yeah, kasi I'm Ilocana eh. So,
Yes. So, sakto nga. And then, if we were to compare you or think of a plant, or you would say that you were a sile.
asili.
Yeah.
That, it's evolving.
Yes. And looks really pretty. But once you take a bite, maybe you'll get a little bit of a zing, but it might be a surprise. Sometimes it's a little mild and sometimes it's a little hotter, right?
Yes, yes.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Miss Sammy.
Thank you, Sir. And I wish you all the luck, really.
Well, thank you.
The
You too.
effort,
Good luck.
community.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayun.
Good luck.